In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to purchase a Shopify theme from ThemeForest. We'll walk through the entire process from opening the website to choosing a theme, all the way to completing your payment. By the end, you'll feel confident buying a theme for your Shopify store, even if it's your first time. First, open your browser and go to the ThemeForest website. If you already have an account, go ahead and log in. If you don't, you'll need to create one. Setting up an account is straightforward. You'll be asked for basic details like your email and a password. Once you're logged in, you'll land on the main ThemeForest homepage. At the top of the page, you'll see a search bar. Click inside that bar and type Shopify theme, then press enter. ThemeForest will now show you a full list of Shopify themes that are available for purchase. This is where you can start exploring your options. Take your time browsing through the themes. You can scroll through the list, and each theme will usually show a thumbnail image, the name of the theme, a short description, the price, and often a rating from other buyers. When you find a theme that catches your eye, click on it. This will open that theme's main information page. On the theme page, you'll see more details such as features, what's included, and sometimes documentation or support information from the author. To really understand how the theme looks and behaves, find and click the Live Preview button. This will open a new tab or window showing a working demo of the theme. Use this live preview to explore the theme like a real store visitor. Click through the homepage, product pages, collections, and any other layouts provided. Pay attention to the design, the navigation, and how content is arranged. Imagine your own products and branding inside this layout to see if it fits your needs. Once you're happy with your choice and you've decided that this is the theme you want, go back to the theme's main page on ThemeForest and click the Buy Now button in the top right corner. This will take you to the checkout page. On the checkout page, you'll need to enter your billing details. Make sure the information is accurate and matches your payment method. Then, choose how you want to pay. ThemeForest typically allows you to pay using a credit or debit card or through PayPal. Select the option that works best for you. After you've filled in your billing information and chosen your payment method, review everything one last time. When everything looks correct, scroll down and click the Pay Securely button at the bottom. ThemeForest will process your payment, and once it's successful, your Shopify theme will be added to your account, ready for you to download and install on your store.